Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name Muhammad Marzaku Ambi Anwar. My metric number 20192245 and 44 and I'm from J4EM Muhammad 03E. Okay, today I want to present my last workshop practice on the title Introduction to the Basic Operation of my lathe machine. Okay, on this practical, I will make a 4 type of mock milling process. Okay, first I will do a side cut. Okay, it move x-axis. Second, facing cut, it move in y-axis. Third is hole and drill cut, move in z-axis. And lastly, step cut, it move in x, y, and z-axis. Okay, now we move on to the process. First, check and switch on the machine. Make sure the machine in a good condition and safe to use. Make sure the machine in the right setting. Then, push the green button to on the machine. Next, set the cutting tools and attach the end mile cutting tool to the spindle. Make sure the cutting tool is tight to avoid it move or thrown out when the machine starts. Third, place the material into the machine vise and rotate the spindle to grip the material during the process. Fourth, set the position. We can see in the video that y-axis is moved in the forward and backward movement. For x-axis, it moves left and right. Lastly, for z-axis, it moves up and down. Fifth, start the process and make a facing cut on the surface first. Okay, first for facing cut, we need to move the sandal in the Y and X axis. So this is the movement of the facing cut. For side cut, we need to move the sandal in the X axis. So this is the movement of the side cut. To make a hole or drill, we need to move the sandal in Z axis only. So this is the movement of the hole for hole or drill cut. To make step cut, we need to move the sandal in the X, Y, and Z axis. So this is the movement for the step cut. After finish all the process, switch off the machine by press the red button. Finally, clean and release the material from the vise. Avoid remove the chip with unprotected hand. Use the brush to remove the spiral chip. Rotate the spindle to release the material. Okay, this is the final result of the process. For safety procedure, I have said in the process, but I will conclude for some of it. Okay, first, we need to switch off the machine after use, take out the material after finish, and don't touch the spiral chip. And always wear the appropriate attire like workshop jacket, safety boot, safety goggles, safety glove.